This is the reason we haven't been making videos. That one right there. I'm surprised you let me get on video.
She's distracted.
By you. And there's Burbies. Say hi, Kirby. Hi, Belle.
Afternoon.
Oh yeah, I just woke up, so whatever. Sorry. It's been what, weeks now?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
No new videos.
Nothing uploaded. There is a reason though, and you'll probably see her at the beginning, because that's probably how I'll edit it. But yeah, our little girl is not doing so well, and now she's running around over there. She's not doing very well.
Okay, good butt shot.
Hey, whatever. She's a fluff butt. So, backstory right quick. That dog over there that you just saw, or saw previously, is Belle. I don't think we've ever shown her before.
No, Belle was on the Walt Disney Hall.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, then Belle is there, and then we have the other one,
Right behind you.
Kirby, back there. So, Kirby is old. She's just been around for a long time. She's awesome. Belle, on the other hand, has had cancer about 6 or 7 months ago.
She had cancer 6 months ago, and now we just found out she has kidney failure. So she's only 4.5 years old, so we've been kind of dealing with that issue. She was in the emergency room for a couple of days, and we're just kind of, unfortunately there's nothing else we can do for her, so it's just to keep her happy and her quality of life up, and that's what we've been dealing with. So that's why we haven't been videoing or doing anything really. We've been pretty much homebodies for the last couple of weeks ever since this started going down, and that's what we're going to be doing probably for a little while. We're going to
taking care of her.
So we're going to try to get out a little bit today and probably go to the dog park or something and bring you guys with us, and you'll get to see her running around, and then we'll go from there.
We're going to try to make her last couple of days as fun as possible for her, because who wants to deny that face? What are you doing, Belle?
What are you
doing? Belle.
What are you doing, baby?
So you can see where she had cancer.
Yep.
That was her nose. We had to remove a lot of her jaw.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go. We might stop somewhere to get food too.
Yeah, we're getting lunch first, and then.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
I need to shave.
Yes, you do.
I might shave
I think
before.
we're doing Greek food for lunch.
Ooh, Greek.
Maybe.
Well, I'll have to video it.
Yeah, if you want.
Okay. Well, I need to stop ending every single cut with the goodbye. I got a bowl. What'd you get? You got a bowl. You got a bowl.
Put stuff in it.
Yeah, yours looks better. I'm gonna need some of that.
Then you need to go up there.
No.
Yeah.
You could share.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can.
That's against the law.
It's not against the law.
It is.
How is it?
It's on my fork. I have no idea.
Put it in your mouth.
Well, hold horses.
What did you get on it?
Euro meat, tomatoes, their village salad stuff, lasagna,
Speak up.
pickled onions, cheese, a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, I just got Euro meat and green beans and chickpeas and lentils. Say hi, girls. Kirby. Kirby. Well, that was a disaster. Can you not? Look, our inspiration. That y'all seen one time in the first video that we've ever shot.
I heard my idea for you.
How's she doing?
I didn't think of it. I don't think it through.
Is it?
Yeah.
Huh? That's actually pretty awesome. How much is it?
$25.
But it's metal.
It is metal.
But it's metal.
Yeah,
Doesn't that justify it?
Not really.
Let's go out. Let's stay in. Ooh. I want this. How much is it? Do your job.
$20. $19.99.
I wonder what that's for though. Just like serving or just
Yeah, it's just for like a
show?
little Halloween party.
Oh, look at that.
These are appetizer plates.
15 bucks.
For 4.
Oh, that one has snakes on it.
But yeah.
This is fun. I like this stuff.
See, this is nicer Halloween stuff. This is if we did anything for party-wise, I would use. Then you can put your little appetizer on there.
You'd never be able to see it. We have a piranha. Michael's a shark. Baby shark. Are you daddy shark?
I've been eaten by a shark.
Are you daddy shark? They're already scared of you. Is that what that's for? Don't put your mouth on.
My mouth is not on it. It's on my chin.
So weird. Hey, Michael, I found what you need.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Well, no, you need. Well, I have hoped you'd seen it. You could be bleh. Does the mask come with it, or you have to buy the mask separately? If it's not in the pack, you have to buy it separately.
I think you gotta buy it separately. So it's just a, yeah.
It's at $25.
But
Oh, there you go. The inflatable blue. And then a creepy blue.
that's not. I don't know what that is. That's not blue. This is the T-Rex face.
That's not a T-Rex face. Oh, that's weird. It's cheap looking. It doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit.
Yeah, that doesn't work. That's upsetting.
I won't hit that button no more.
I'm a lollipop.
No, you're just a sucker. Yeah, I don't think so.
You know you want it. Yeah, right? I feel like this is trying to break it. There's a lot of room in
Hey, you could be the new bunny from Toy Story.
there. Yes? No?
No.
This is really weird.
No. I don't know how anybody would wear that.
Yeah, right when I was going. You don't know how anyone would wear that? Why do you think? So these are just like the big things last year.
I know.
Yes? No?
Turn.
Don't say his name.
You look so familiar. You can be a praying mantis. That's what the green thing is, a praying mantis.
Is it male or female?
If it's got a head, it means it's probably a female.
This is
Well,
$40.
that's a guy on that one, so.
It could be a shark.
Are you the left shark?
No, that's last year. That could be a sloth.
And you need a costume? Do you need a cape?
Oh, there's no sleeves. I was thinking there was sleeves.
Wow.
I forgot how capes work.
Wow.
It's not long enough.
Yeah, okay.
What are you reading me?
Moving on.
Michael, come here.
Moving on.
Why?
I found what you look like if you lost weight. Lord.
I don't know what you're talking about. It doesn't look anything like me.
Uh-huh. Well, now we found out where the music's coming from.
It's a snake.
They've got the skeleton DJ.
Skeleton snake?
No, but we got a skeleton
Oh
DJ.
yeah, does ours work?
I think that one works.
Not what I thought it would do. Well, it'd be better than that.
I would, yeah, you would think there'd be noise coming out of it.
Yeah, not the noise we're putting into it.
Yeah.
That's stupid.
Boom!
Ah.
You get the inflatable boo.
I like that.
That's not bad.
It's cool. Now it says boo boo boo. You don't need it. That's actually kind of cool.
It's $80 though.
That's ridiculous, but kind of cool.
He's 9 feet tall.
He's 9 feet tall, and he's a skeleton.
Yeah, that's cool.
That is cool. We don't decorate the color.
And I got Mickey. Yeah, they didn't hear you when you walked away, so good.
Michael doesn't like Halloween.
I don't like you either. Yep, we figured it out.
$15.
Wheel of Fate.
You have to
press the button.
And you have to...
Your future is murky.
Okay.
That's not good.
No.
What does that one do?
I don't know. It requires a button press.
Yeah,
I can...
that button.
Oh.
I see everything, even what you're thinking.
That's not bad.
What do?
The hands for the water bottle or the wine
the
bottle.
wine bottle?
Yeah, that's kind of cool. You get the blood wine.
Interesting.
It's kind of cool. The little things like that I like for decorating. Not the
Not the studded pumpkins
no, not
or the
that.
eyeball wreath.
No, that's kind of crazy looking.
It's fun though.
We just did one of those.
I know. It's just pressing it.
Easy Care tablecloth. Does it sing?
Feed me, Seymour.
That's why I was wondering. Out the phone ringing is for you.
I don't think it does anything.
Do anything?
No,
No.
it's just kind of cool. How much is
Foolish
it?
garden.
$35.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Wow. That's pretty much a lot of money. That's pretty much a lot of money.
That's pretty much a lot of money.
Pretty much a lot of money. You do.
I do blend right in. It's just floating. We chose to do it in here, but
Probably shouldn't have, but that's okay.
whatever. Who cares? Today was a crazy, crazy day.
Yep.
Today was all over the place. We had no clue, and plus we're right in front of Space Jam, which you can't see,
Nope.
but it's pretty cool. But I think we're done.
Yep, we're gonna go check out and hopefully we'll start doing more videos.
Yeah, we gotta start doing something every day,
Yep.
even if it's just at the home at the kitchen table.
Yep.
But what I need you to do is 1, follow us on Twitter. 2, follow us on Facebook. 3, subscribe to our channel down below. And 4, keep us accountable for making these videos. Like if you tell us, hey, we're doing stuff, or honestly, if you get more people to watch, share it with somebody. You know, I reach a couple people. I mean, we go from there, and we keep getting bigger and bigger, which is easy. But okay, I think we're done. Ready?
We're done?
Yeah.
All right.
Be awesome today. 1, 2, 3.
Be awesome today. Try this again.
1, 2, 3.
Be awesome today.